Yikes.
Say hi, LJ. LJ, say hi. Do you see the wheel? Yeah. Yeah. It's a big wheel.
Holly, go hit it. Come here. Come here, Holly.
Okay. Whoa!
Go, keep going.
That's what I think every time I
Yeah. He's obsessed with watching videos of fire trucks.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So I think that he's loving this.
all the yikes.
Tell me what this is strictly so for exhaust. Okay.
Yeah, when we crank the trucks up, it has a sensor and it pulls all the bad air out of this station.
You're gonna have to move quick if you're gonna get a picture of it.
Maybe let it run around.
No, don't touch that. LJ?
Just look. Oh, I see that one.
LJ?
They went to the art and nature. They went to the art waddle. They went to market days. I'm surprised they're still.
Don't turn it. Just look.
These are the trucks they take out for grass fires.
What's this? What's that come out with?
Water.
I think water will come out if you turn that on. We don't want.
to do that.
Are you sure?
You're sneaky in there.
LJ, do you want to sit in a fire truck and let Mom get the...
Do you want to go inside one? This one.
One of the new ones? Big,
He's like, you okay?
He's so overwhelmed.
I know. No, you're going to keep going. You're going to go in a different one. She's going out of here. This way.
Follow the fireman.
Whoa.
Oh yeah. You're going up there. Now 1 second, let me sit you up, okay?
You're okay. Oh, no, it's okay.
It's okay.
Look at Holly. Look at Holly. You can sit up there with her. You want to sit with Holly? It is a little intimidating.
Oh no, it's alright. Everything's off right now. So don't. How are you doing?
You want to go up there?
You want to sit up there with
We'll
LJ?
Let her do it and then maybe he'll.
Look, Holly's riding the fire truck. Whoa, you're up there tall. Look how tall Holly is.
Wow.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Holly, come down and let LJ get up there.
Help.
You want to try to go in there?
No, you want to get out.
Come on, Holly. It's
Holly,
time to
let-
let LJ go.
Holly, let LJ have a turn. Come on.
Oh man.
Holly, let him get you.
Yeah, you're just going to have to
Rip the band-aid.
Oh, even though
I'll
he
let
was
you
scared.
I'll let you set him up there.
You want me to do
You
it?
want me to set you up there?
Yes.
You want me to set you up there? I'll set you up there. I'll set you up
Holly,
next.
let LJ have a turn.
Let Mama set.
Here, you do it. You climb.
You climb and let Mom get a picture.
Watch your head.
Oh, he's good now.
All right.
Say cheese.
Drive the truck. Drive the truck.
Careful.
Wave to LJ.
Wave.
Like some
Wave.
steps.
Holly,
LJ.
look at Elsa.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on. Ready?
You want to see the steps go up again? You like the steps, don't you? Watch out.
Watch out.
You think that's cool?
That's pretty
Very
cool.
neat, huh?
Has he-
Next.
Has he ever been in a fire?
No.
Oh.
Grandpa's
Did
retired.
you say him? Did you tell him thank you?
Oh, you're welcome.
You've already gone. I'm sure they have.
You're brave.
She wants to get back in.
Oh.
Whoa, look at all of those gadgets, knobs, dials, wow. Don't touch, just look. That's just,
Don't climb up there,
no,
baby.
just
Just
look
look.
up there, just look,
Oh.
just look.
Yeah, that metal doesn't give too much.
Okay, let's let the firemen
LJ.
go eat. I'm
Don't
sure they're
touch.
ready for dinner.
Oh, we got to cut the grass, so we're
I saw y'all cutting the grass.
Okay, keep going.
not yet. Let's go here in a little while.
Do you want me to hold this?
Wow.
Wow.
Whoa.
Okay.
You mechanic?
Oh, wow.
You want to go in there and work on it?
That one's not working, is it?
No, we're not going to go up there.
Thank you so
Yeah, we're going to go bye-bye.
Here, LJ, stand right here with Holly and let Mom get a picture.
You want to go stand there?
Come here, LJ, stand right here. Here, I'll call you.
No, he's so overwhelmed.
Look at your mom. Here, get right here. Oh, look at
It's Jessica's gonna take it.
LJ,
LJ, look up.
look, say cheese.
Say cheese, Holly.
Say cheese. Hey,
Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, don't pull that.
say thank you.
Yeah.
Glad y'all made it out.
Thank you.
Thank you on your lap.
Can't tell the old winding down.
You gonna say bye to the firefighters? You say bye?
Say bye. Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
Yeah, no problem. Good evening.
you. You too.
All right, we'll see y'all.
Look at the big ladder.
She just gave me that.
LJ, did you have fun?